Columbus niggas down a nigga every single minute. You either get your ass beat or you grab your pistol. Behind the walls did some time with some real killers. So free my guys coming home, such a good feeling. YG, I miss you, you the hood 5-star general. I'm talking Kimball fucking bitches sipping plenty liquor. I did the most but never bigger than my fucking britches. Too much flexing for the gram instead of gram dealing. 100 bands where I'm from, that's a cool million. Jugging hard, I just got a bill of Reggie Miller. I'm taking calls like a motherfucking doctor visit. I want it all, 150, 20 dimes and nickels. I'm smoking stronger and I don't fuck with nasty ass swishers. Lost some homies to the grave in the dirty system. Think I'm about to join the Moors if they keep fucking with me. Let's go to war like them ISIS and them pirate niggas. I bought some choppers and I broke out all my grimy niggas. We get it poppin', I'm the honcho on my Dawson nigga. Wear the hood up like the 90s on that drive-by tip. And leave you stinking like a wino on the park bench, bitch. And that's just really how I feel. Be on the lookout, it's a grimy gang in every hood, bitch. One time, nigga.